This video tutorial for Amadeus Selling Platform Connect, Profile Functionalities. A profile is a record containing useful information about an individual traveler, company, or agency that can help you when you make a reservation. Each time you make a booking, you can load information from a profile, eliminating the need to manually enter the information each time. Traveler profile is created for an individual traveler. This type of profile includes the traveler's contact details, payment information, meal or seat preferences, and any special service requests. Company profile is used to store information about a company to which the agency provides travel services. Each company profile can have multiple traveler profiles associated to it. Group profile is used to store information about a group of travelers, a sports team, or a family. Each group profile can have multiple travelers associated to it. Agency profile. You can set up an agency profile that contains information related to your own office. You can use an agency profile to store information such as special phone numbers, remarks, and preferred providers. Only one agency profile can exist for each office ID. Here are the steps, how to transfer data to booking file. From main page menu, select Retrieve Profile option. Here are various profiles type. For traveler profile, enter last name. Click on Retrieve button. From Display Result, highlight Required Traveler Profile. Click on Transfer button. Select Required option. Select Transfer All Data option. Click on Select button. All automated transferable data, transfer to booking file 1. Here is traveler name, telephone numbers and email. Booked air flights. Enter request received from RF information. Click on Save and Confirm button. Here is created booking file reference. Other option for transfer profile, booked flights placed in itinerary section. Click on Overview button. Booked flights in itinerary details section. Retrieve profile link from passenger and contact details section. From Retrieve Profile option, select Traveler Profile option. Enter traveler last name. Click on Retrieve button. Highlight Required Profile. Here is Profile Summary for selected profile. Booking files data, which were created with help of displayed profile. Click on Transfer button. Select Selective Transfer option. Click on Select button. Here is traveler name. Checkbox for required telephone to transfer. Checkbox for required special needs to transfer. Click on Transfer button. Create booking file option for new booking file. Checkbox Booking File 1. Click on OK button. Here selected elements transferred to booking file. Here booked flights. Enter request received from RF information. Click on Save and Confirm button. Here is booking file reference. For another transfer option, first booked required flights. Click on Retrieve Profile link. Select Traveler option. Enter traveler last full name, or partial name. Click on Retrieve button. Highlight required profile. Click on Select button. Selected profile placed without transferring. Here selected number of profiles. Highlight another traveler profile. Click on Select button. Now selected number of profiles count is 2. Here are selected traveler's name. Click on Transfer Selection to Booking File link. Select Booking File 1 option. Click on OK. Selected traveler's name. Telephones and emails. Form of payments for both travelers. Required services. Enter request received from RF information. Click on Save and Confirm ER button. Here is created booking file reference. Here are the steps, how to transfer group profile data to booking file. Booked itinerary, placed in itinerary section. Click on Overview button. Booked flights, from itinerary details section. Click on Retrieve Profile link. Select Group option. Enter group full name, or partial name. Click on Retrieve button. Select required profile. Click on Member Data section. Here are listed group members. Click on Transfer icon. Transfer Profile option to create new booking file. Select Booking File 2. Click on OK button. Here traveler's name. Enter request received from RF information. Save and confirm button. Here is created booking file reference. Here are the steps, how to create company profile. From your desktop option. You can create traveler, group, agency and company profile. From Create New Profile, click on Company link. By default, Company Data section displays. Enter the company name. From Telephone section, display the list of telephone types. Here are listed telephone types. For example, select Phone, Business option. Enter 3 letters location code and phone number. Click on plus sign to add additional telephone type. Select telephone type. For example, phone, personal option. You can also add international dial code, plus phone number. Click on plus sign. Display the list of telephone type. For example, mobile, personal option. Enter location code and mobile number. You can select preferred telephone type. Click on minus sign to remove telephone type. From email section, display the list of email types. For example, select business email. Enter email details. From address section, display the list of address types. Here are listed address types. For example, select billing address. Enter the address information. Click on plus sign for additional address. Display the list of address types. Here are listed address types. Click on Save and Confirm button. Click on OK. Here is Record Locator for created profile. Now click on Travel Data section. From Special Needs section, display the list of special needs types. Here are listed special needs types. For example, select Assistance option. Display the list of descriptions. Here are the list of predefined descriptions. For example, Meet and Assist option. Enter free text, assistance information. Display the list of flight types. For example, International. Click on plus sign for additional special needs. Display the list of special needs types. For example, Seat option. Display the list of descriptions. For example, Non-smoking seat option. Display the list of flight type. Valid for all flight types, if leave it blank. From Tour Code section, enter tour code as free text. Enter provider. Click on plus sign for additional tour code. Enter tour code as free text. Enter provider. From shadow destination, enter office ID for back office. From ticketing arrangement, enter as OK. From travel management section, enter default home airport. Enter default arrival airport. Department contact name. Agent contact name. Display the list of delivery methods. Select electronic ticket option. Check box for policy override authorization, if needed. Check box for prepaid ticket authorization, if needed. From Travel Policies section, enter trip purpose code. Enter description. Click on plus sign for additional trip purpose. Enter trip purpose code. Enter description. From Traveler Categories section, enter code. Enter description. Click on plus sign for additional traveler category. Enter code. Enter description. Click on Save and Confirm button. Click on OK button. Click on Payment Data section. From Bank Account section, Enter bank code. Enter bank name. Enter account number. Enter account holder name. From Form of Payment section, enter form of payment type. From Endorsement section, enter endorsement information. From Commission section, enter value as text. Enter provider code. Click on plus sign for additional commission. Enter value as text. Enter provider code. From Accounting section, enter account number. Enter client reference. From Price Scheme Reference section, display list of created service fee. Select required reference, if needed. Click on Save and Confirm, button. Click on OK button. Click on Remark section. Display the list of remark types. Here are listed remark types. For example, select General Remark option. Enter the remark as required. You can assign security option. Select required option for security. You can enter the office ID or IDs. Display option list. For example, View or Modify option. You can also check box for EOS agreement option. Leave blank if no security option required. Click on plus sign for additional remark. Display the list of remark types. For example, confidential remark. Enter required remark. Click on plus sign for additional remark. Display the list of remark types. For example, invoice or itinerary remark. Display the list of remark purposes. For example, select free flow, itinerary remark. Display the list of categories. You can leave it blank, or select as required. Enter required remark information. Click on plus sign for additional remark. Display the list of remark types. For example, invoice or itinerary remark. Display the list of remark purposes. For example, select service fee remark. Enter required service fee amount and currency. From Profile Notes section, display categories list. Select category. Enter required information as notes. From Priority Lines section, for example, enter non-smoking area. From Follow-up section, enter date. Enter required action. Click on Save and Confirm button. Click on Overview section. This is Automated Transferable Data Indicator. This is entered priority line information. Telephone details. Star indicator for the preferable information required. Company name. Automated transferable email. Transferable address, and preferable indicator. Transferable tour codes. Ticket arrangement. Miscellaneous information. Transferable bank account. Travel management policies. Transferable form of payment. Commission information. Price scheme reference. Remarks information. Endorsement information. Accounting details. Entered profile notes and category number. Special needs information. Entered follow-up information. Default, home airport. Default arrival airport. Delivery method. You can also check each section information. You can modify, add, and delete information anytime. Click on Save and Confirm button. Click on OK button. Click on Overview section. Here is updated contact details. Here are the steps, how to create traveler profile. Click on New Traveler Profile option. Incomplete New Traveler Profile name. Here are Traveler Profile sections. You can also create traveler profile from your desktop option. From Create New Profile, click on Traveler link. By default, Personal Data section displays. Display the list of salutation. Here are listed salutations. Select MR. Display the list of title. Here are listed titles. Select Mr. Enter the last name. Enter first name. Enter date of birth. Select gender. Enter country of residence. Enter nationality. Enter languages. Click on plus sign to add additional language. Here is additional language added. Display customer status per defined list. Here are listed status. Enter job title. From family info, display marital status per defined list. Here are listed marital status. You can enter number of children. From agency info, enter department contact name. Enter agent contact name. From telephone section, display the list of telephone types. Select phone, personal option. Enter 3 letters location code and phone number. Select mobile, personal option. You can also add international dial code and phone number. You can select preferred telephone type. From email section, display the list of email types. Select business email. Enter email details. From address section, display the list of addresses type. Select work address. Enter the address information. You can add comment text. Click on Save and Confirm ER button. Click on OK. Here is Record Locator for created profile. Now click on Travel Data section. From Documents, display the list of documents type. Here are the listed documents type. Select Passport option. Enter document number. Enter country of issue. Enter date of issue. Enter expiry date. Click on plus sign to add additional document. Display the list of documents type. Select Identity Card option. Enter ID card number. Enter country of issue. Enter date of issue. Enter expiry date. Click on plus sign to add additional document. Display the list of documents type. Select Visa option. Enter Visa number. Enter country of issue. Enter date of issue. Enter expiry date. Display the list of documents type. Select driving license option. Enter license number. Enter country of issue. Enter date of issue. Enter expiry date. From Customer Card section, enter card number. Enter card designation. Enter card issuer name. From Ticketing Arrangements section, enter OK. From Travel Management, enter Service Level Agreement. Check boxes for required options. Click on Save and Confirm ER button. Click on OK button. Click on Payment Data section. You can enter bank account details for individual passenger, if needed. You can use Merge option to transfer bank accounts in the booking file, from company profile. From Form of Payment section, enter Form of Payment type. From Endorsement section, enter information. From Accounting section, enter cost sent to reference. From Price Scheme Reference section, display list of created service fee. Select required reference, if needed. Click on Save and Confirm ER button. Click on OK button. Click on Remark section. Display the list of remarks. Type. Here are listed remarks type. For example, select Special Annotation option. Enter the remark as required. From Profile Notes section, display Categories list. Here are listed categories. Select Category. Enter required information as notes. From Priority Lines section, enter required information. From Follow-up section, enter date. Enter required action. Click on Save and Confirm ER button. Click on OK button. Click on Air Preferences section. From Special Needs section, display the list of special needs type. Here are listed special needs type. For example, select Traveler Information option. Display the list of descriptions. Here are the list of predefined descriptions. For example, select APIS Passport or Identity Card option. Enter free text for APIS information. Suggested to write APIS details on Notepad. Here document type is Passport, P. Document issuing country, P, AK. Document number. Passenger nationality, P, AK. Date of birth. Gender. Document expiry date. Family name. Given name. Copy written entry. Here you can paste entry or write APIS format. Click on plus sign for additional special needs. Select Seat option. From description, non-smoking bulkhead seat option. Display the list of flight type. Valid for all flight types, if leave it blank. Click on plus sign for additional special needs. Select meal option. Display the list of predefined descriptions. Select Muslim meal option. Display the list of flights type. Select International option. From Frequent Flyer option, enter airline code. Enter card number. Enter partner airline code, if needed. From Seating Preferences, display the list of predefined preferences. Select Bulkhead option. From Flight Type, select International. From Airline Preferences, enter airline code. Click on plus sign for additional preferred airline. Enter airline code. From Travel Management, enter default home airport. Enter default arrival airport. Display the list of delivery methods. Select Electronic Ticket option. Click on Save and Confirm ER button. Click on OK. Click on Overview section. This is Transferable Data Indicator. Here is traveler name, traveler personal details, non-transferable documents, transferable remark, transferable special need elements. Here are the steps, how to create group profile. From your desktop option. From Create New Profile, click on Group link. By default group data display. Enter group name. Enter telephone type and number. Enter department and agent contact name. Click on Save and Confirm ER button. Click on OK button. Now click on Member Data section. From Group Members. By default main contact, for group member details. To find member, click on binocular icon. Adding additional member, click on plus sign. Removing existing member, click on minus sign. Click on binocular icon. Enter last name to find traveler profile. Click on Search button. Highlight the required member from list. Click on OK button. Member added. In Members section, click on plus sign to add additional member. Click on binocular icon. Enter last name. Click on Search button. Highlight required traveler profile. Click on OK button. Selected profile added in Members section. Check box to assign main contact of the group profile, if needed. Click on Save and Confirm ER button. Click on OK button. You can remove member from group profile. Click on minus sign beside member to remove. Click on Save and Confirm ER button. Click on OK button. Here are the steps, how to associate or disassociate traveler profile to company profile. From Traveler Profile, click on Personal Data section. Click on Search for an associated company link. Enter company full name or partial name to search company profile. Click on Search button. Here are the list of companies matched with Enter criteria. Highlight required company to associate. Click on OK button. Here is associated company name. Click on Save and Confirm ER button. Click on OK button. To remove association from Traveler Profile, click on Personal Data section. Click on Remove the associated company link. Click on Save and Confirm ER button. Click on OK button. Here are the steps. Merge profile display. From Traveler Profile, click on Overview section. Click on Merge Display Link to merge Traveler, Company, and Agency Profile. Here are merged options for current profile. Miscellaneous data, merged from Traveler and Company Profiles. Merged data from Traveler and Company Profiles. Telephone data, merged from Traveler and Company Profiles. Addresses merged data. Merged company name. Merged data for documents. Merged data for travel management. Click on Overview link to switch back to Overview display. Click on Cross Sign to exit from current Traveler Profile. Here are the options to retrieve profile. From Main Page menu, select Retrieve Profile option. Here are profile retrieve options. By default, Traveler Profile with Record Locator option. Here are listed options to retrieve Traveler Profile. You can also retrieve Traveler Profile with last name option. For example, enter last name. From Profile Status, by default Active Profile option selected. Click on Retrieve button. Two travelers' profile matched with search criteria. Highlight required profile to retrieve. Here is summary at bottom of search result for selected profile. Click on Open button or double-click for required profile. Here is by default Overview section for retrieved profile. From Retrieve Profile, select Company Profile option. By default Active Profile option selected. You can select Deactive Profile option if needed. Here is Active Profile option. Enter company full name or partial name. Click on Retrieve button. Five company profiles matched with search criteria. Highlight required profile to retrieve. Here is summary at bottom of search result for selected profile. Click on Open button or double-click for required profile. Here is by default overview section for retrieved profile. Here's star sign indicator for preferable data to transfer. Here are the steps how to retrieve profile history. From Retrieved Profile, click on History icon. Here is profile created and last display date. Last 100 items are listed in the history. Field number, old value, and new value. Click on Close button to exit from profile history. Here are the steps how to activate or deactivate profile. From Displayed Profile, click on Overview section. Click on Deactivate icon. Click on Yes button. Click on OK button. You can also deactivate from Retrieve Profile, highlight required profile. Click on Deactivate button. Click on Yes button. Click on OK button. Select Company Profile option. Display the list of profile status. Select Deactivate option. Enter company full name or partial name. Click on Retrieve button. Here are two companies matched with search criteria. Highlight required profile. Click on Activate button. Click on Yes button. Click on OK button.